Good morning, it's Winsome Gunning, and I'm just going to take you around my garden in the rain just to show you how the swaling that I'm doing is taking water down. I've dug all these little trenches all around. You can see it's running down like little rivers. I've talked about this before, but I haven't actually shown people. And then over here, still running down. I'm lucky I live on a hill. Comes down here and sits here, and then it goes into my lovely soil. And this is where I've just planted some seeds this morning. I planted some beans, some turnips and some broccolini. We'll see how they go. The other little seedlings which I planted a few days ago are all starting to really grow. And over here it's still gathering. You can see it comes down from here as well, and it just pulls down. That's like, see, yeah, and it just gathers in the bottom there where all of the lovely trees down there have plenty of water to their roots. It's rather lovely in the garden when it rains, but this rain is actually bumping into passion fruit. Wow, it's certainly all lots of fruit on all these trees. I just hope the vegetables do as well. So putting all the water to good use, or trying to. All these trees are just magnificent, but it's not a good rain because it's causing floods and people are suffering. But I'm just trying to use climate change to actually get food to grow. And it is rather lovely in the garden when it's raining. I've got my raincoat on. Just standing inside my house watching the rain fall. Can hear the sound of it on the tin roof. Not so heavy now as it was earlier. Hope it'll stop soon, and then I'm going out for a walk and then getting on with this, my structured day. Dreaming of winter sunshine. And gentle gardens. Yes, are we talking to you? Are you talking to me? Yes, I won't be long.